Everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. And look, I'm at DQ Dairy Queen, and I'm here because I wanted to show you. I got the pumpkin pie blizzard, and yeah, and it looks really good. It comes with whipped cream and looks like pumpkin spices on top there or whatever. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of bright, but they have pumpkin pieces. Oh my gosh, that's so good, you guys. Sorry, I'm trying to hold this and show you at the same time. They've got pumpkin, like pie crust and pie filling in this. So it's very, very good. If you love pumpkin pie, you guys have to try this. Very, very good. And we're at DQ. So I'm just enjoying this. It's a beautiful day out, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. I wish you guys were all here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys will go to your Dairy Queens and have one of these awesome pumpkin pie blizzards. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.